Katanat Forest and Environment jongka sarkar jilah kalapan kre menta ban pinkin ria no syaga jaka betumai ya baro kimrat bat kisim ki badon Phan Nonglait Park ka bajutip baro kata kum ka Lady Hydri Park Shillong. Haba pentip ya kani Menteri Katanat Forest Jem ke sangma ulong bagajing trei menta ya ketika jaka rimrat betumai ni ka state zoo ka badon treu Riboy District kalaya chakmat menta. Menteri ulong ru ba kajingbu ye kimrat ha ketika pang ka badon baro shikata kadai ka barin bat kumta kalong ka ba isin ai ye ki ban e sa hangte Henry namar baro shikata ba kim don lat kim mansi ban e kumto shushu ulong ru ba haden baladep ban pinken ria lut ye kimrat na ketika pang ka sarkar kan saphapan pralut ye ki jaka baro khnang bo on dubla ban penwan dur ya ka kum ka jaka ya kai ni shongkai pyngad jongki pajba.
I'm happy to inform that the work for the state zoo is very much on track, and the work is progressing at a good pace, and we are very hopeful that we will be able to inaugurate the zoo, and more importantly shift the animals at the Lady Hydri Park or the Phan Nonglait Park to the new zoo, because the enclosures are very, very small, and it is extremely cruel to keep them, but as of now it is something that we have no choice but to keep them there still. But I'm really very keen on making sure that we can move these animals from the park to the zoo at the earliest, and that's why we are really working to push this project to its conclusion. No, as of now, the existing animals which are there will be there in the new zoo. Addition to any more new animals will be something that we will have to at the department will have to examine, because there are financial implications to that. There is also programs whereby there's zoo exchange, animal exchange in zoos. Things like that are there, but these involve certain finances, and we will take a call on that. But as of now, we will be shifting whatever existing animals we have in the enclosures to the new zoo as and when it is inaugurated. Yeah, what we're thinking of Phan Nonglait is to we do not want to use the space there. We will dismantle all the enclosures, and we will try to we are exploring at making it into an eco park, which will be a park where it encourages people, inspires people on the message of conservation and preservation of the environment.